Click on the link below to get price. The ALORAIR LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust solution for anyone in need of effective moisture control in both residential and commercial spaces. This unit stands out with its impressive moisture removal capability of up to 90 pints per day, making it ideal for environments prone to excess humidity, such as basements, warehouses, and construction sites. One of the most notable features of this dehumidifier is its built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage. The included drain hose makes setup straightforward. Simply connect the hose, and let the unit work its magic without the need for constant monitoring or manual emptying. This is particularly beneficial for larger spaces or long-term dehumidification tasks. Portability is another strong point. The ALORAIR LGR is designed with durable wheels and a lightweight frame, enabling easy transport from one location to another. This feature is especially useful for contractors or anyone needing to move the unit between different job sites. Its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use, too. The design is quite user-friendly, featuring an intuitive control panel and a digital display that allows you to easily set your desired humidity levels. The unit operates quietly, which is critical in settings where noise could be disruptive. Additionally, it has an automatic restart function that resumes operation after a power outage, ensuring that moisture control is maintained continuously. Maintenance is made simpler thanks to a washable air filter, which helps to keep the unit running efficiently while also extending its lifespan. Overall, the ALORAIR LGR Commercial Dehumidifier strikes a great balance between performance, portability, and ease of use. It's a reliable investment for anyone looking to combat moisture issues effectively, offering peace of mind that the air quality will remain optimal. Whether for personal or professional use, this dehumidifier proves to be a worthy addition to any moisture management toolkit.